you backed in just too far so where your tire actually drops off the end of the ramp, and then your trailer's stuck and you can't do anything about it. We're gonna fix that today. The first time I had this problem was with the pontoon I got in 2015, and the way I got out of it was I had to climb into the water, go underneath the water, grab the trailer, pick it up while my wife pulled the truck forward 6 inches. And obviously that's incredibly dangerous. So when I got home, I thought of this idea, and I'm going to put it on this boat too because I've already taken this out 3 times and gotten stuck once. All right, so let's go over the plan here. Now, on my other boat, we had a steel trailer and it was painted. And because of that, I just went ahead and welded directly to the frame. Now this one's galvanized. You don't want to weld to it for 2 reasons. Number one, it may start rusting afterwards because you damage the galvanized coating. And number 2, it does release toxic fumes. Now what it does have is these bunker brackets that are already on the boat, and I could just loosen up and use to attach. So what I came up with is I'm going to use flat bar like this. It's going to hit 3 of those brackets, and then we're going to use square tube, and this triangle right here will prevent me from ever getting stuck in the boat ramp that way again. All right, there we have the first side done. As you can see, now the boat ramp will hit right on that triangle and then pick the trailer up, and boom, the tire will roll right over top of it. Now there's no more issue with that ever again. Now all I'm going to do is just copy this exactly to the other side, and then I'll be done. Well, there we go. I just banged out the second one. I'm going to get these cleaned up and painted and loosen those brackets up and put them on. Well, moment of truth. Oh yeah. So I came up with this idea after seeing a moving guy taking something heavy upstairs with a dolly, and the dolly had these sliders on the back, and I thought, hey, that's going to be perfect to get my boat out of the ramp when it falls off the back of the ramp. Tried it out and it worked perfectly. Now I never have to worry about backing too far into the water. And now that I can back farther into the water, it's nice and easy to pull the boat straight up onto the trailer without having to power load it. Look at that. Now if it falls off the edge, it'll just whoop, slide right on up. All right, second side on. Blends right in with the original trailer. Color match was almost perfect, galvanized. And I kicked it a few times and it is extremely stable with that top plate hitting 3 different brackets. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out.